learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Hakka training on ICRT, and this time it's going to be a religious trip as we take this train to Pingdong Neipu and find out what the locals believed in since the early days, and I think that's a great way to learn about a town. 今天呢，我们要持续来拜访屏东内埔乡，而我们要来了解当地人的一些信仰哦。那这边呢，到底有什么样的宗教特色？请 Leo 待会儿来介绍喽。哎呀，谢谢 Leo 今天带我来拜拜啊，真的很棒。
不用客气啦。但是拜的过程当中，你有没有注意到刚拜的是什么主神啊？
有啦，我很细心。这里是韩愈，对不对？
对，韩昌黎，昌黎祠。内埔地区会每年都举办韩愈文化季，而且是华人地区唯一举办的哦。
哇，这么 special 哦，很棒哎。OK，
你看到隔壁那间庙？
对，
你有没有看到？
有，这边真的是宗教气息非常浓厚。那个好像是天后宫，对不对？
没错，就是麻祝棚。
对，
这是六堆地区最古老的一间麻祝棚天后宫，而且它是3级古迹非常有历史价值哦。我们一定要来去参拜一下。
好多特别的点哦，又有唯一举办的韩愈文化季，又有最古老的妈祖庙。这边拜拜一定会特别波比耶。
是啊。
既然这么多宗教，那应该也有义民爷、义民庙之类的。
错
哈？怎么会这样？
没听过吗？北义民，南中永，这边是中永宫，所以是中永祠。
好，那我要去找中永祠的意思了。
对。
OK， 然后这边花也很漂亮，等一下带回家。
不要乱动它。
为什么？
那个花是我们要做盘花盘筏，是要进献给神明用的啦。
好，那拜完之后再带回家可以吗？
拜完之后呢，我们会把它晒干，晒干然后你带回家就可以泡水洗澡。带来福气哦！
太好了，我觉得今天旅游完了之后啊，我接下来一年会大吉大利啦。
没错。
Neipu Township is located in Pingdong, and it is rich in religious culture. One famous place is Tongli Shrine, dedicated to the 8 masters of the Tang and Song by the famous Chinese writer Han Yu. Another is Tianho Temple, the oldest Mazu temple in the area and one of Taiwan's heritage sites. In the south, the Hakka people have a special way of honoring the gods. They stack flowers into tall mounds on plates rather than in bundles as seen in most other places.
好，我们现在教大家一些课语咯，包括我们的 praying 要拜拜嘛，对不对？
拜牙
OK. And then how about the plate of flowers that are used for praying? 那个盘花怎么说啊？
盘筏
OK 就是盘花嘛。All right, and now you know that this is today's Hakka training.
什么泰嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.